Medyo napapadami na yung nakikita kong mga post combining these two fat loss meds. So, akala kasi ng iba, mas maraming fat loss meds, mas mabilis yung results. But the truth is, if you're combining Reta with tears nang hindi mo alam yung ginagawa mo, posibleng kabaliktaran pa yung mangyari. So, itong dalawang to, they both work on appetite, blood sugar, and digestion. Pero magkaiba sila ng strength and mechanism. Unahin muna natin yung basics. So, si tears, it targets GLP-1 and GIP pathways. So, anong ibig sabihin nun? Ibig sabihin, less hunger, better blood sugar control, slower digestion, and mas madaling mag-calorie deficit. Kaya maraming pumapayat kahit hindi super strict yung diet. Si Reta naman, it also targets the GLP-1 and GIP pathways, but it also targets the glucagon receptor pathway. So ito yung game changer kay Reta, kaya mas aggressive siya. So mas mabilis yung fat oxidation mo and yung mobilization ng stored fats mo, and mas mataas din yung energy expenditure mo. So ganito lang kasimple. Si Tears, it can help you eat less. Si Ret, it can help you eat less and potentially burn more. So, ano mangyayari pag pinagsabay mo? Siyempre, too much appetite suppression. Mahihirapan kang kainin yung protein intake mo, low energy, low performance, hirap mag-recover, and posible din yung muscle loss sa mga lifters. It can also cause digestive issues kasi both compounds slows down gastric emptying. So, nandiyan yung diarrhea, constipation, pagsusuka, nausea, and bloating feeling. At ang nakakalimutan ng iba is itong dalawang drugs na to can affect glucose regulation. So, kapag mataas yung cardio mo, tapos naka-low carb ka pa, tapos mababa rin yung appetite mo, it can cause brain fog, fatigue, and dizziness. So, akala ng iba, fat burning effect, yung pala low blood sugar na. At isa sa pinaka-underestimated na risk is yung muscle loss. Kasi low protein ka na nga, low calorie ka pa, weak pa yung stimulus mo, hindi ka nagli-lift ng weights kasi ayaw mo magka-muscle. Ang mangyayari dyan, you will lose fat, yes, but you will lose muscle too. Hindi ko mag-guess kung bakit mo sila kailangan pagsabayin. Kasi they both target same pathways, okay? They both target GLP-1 and GIP pathways. So, ang mangyayari dyan, madodoble lang yung side effects, hindi naman yung result. So, if you're using Tears and you feel like wala lang results, kahit naka-calorie deficit ka pa and you're doing everything you can, so just switch to Reta. You don't have to use both. Ganun lang kasimple.